Yeah, and as you say, I and I, man, is in America. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale Airport. How that the sign said. How are you here about? Yeah, alright. But I know some forward with the fine bailing bag of peanut. And I'm serious. I want to know if I pray the situation. When I come out of the center, I know I have spirit right here, so, and Delta and anything there. But I have the whole fine bailing bag of peanut. I have one buckle of rum. Yo, big up yourself, cause you're not get none more life. Look here. Family. I want to know the side. I don't like say when I come to up on the flight, I have to have my thing them in a bag, you know. But guess what? If I put in a bag, the people them I go thief out my thing. See? I want to know overs. See I fly my thing fly in. You understand? I fly me thing flying and I lie me thing lying. One fine bailing bag, me reach, it joke and salt, bring me up, big me up. Look here, away from St. Elizabeth me bring it. Away up in a Fort Lauderdale be there right now. Big up on yourself, no one else is was the far right soldier, not a buckle on yourself. A real farmer from Cornwall. More life and no drama. Me have to put it inside of this bag because the people them at the airport find the peanut irresistible. Big up on yourself. Me there in a Fort Lauderdale right now. Right now, right now. Me there in a Fort Lauderdale right now. Right now, right now. Right now, right now. Right now, right now. Me there in a Fort Rockadale right now. Big up yourself.